What's up, guys? It's David here at Southern Outdoors and Homesteading, and as you can see behind me there is a new fence. And as you've seen on the video so far, this video is about building that fence. So if y'all would just hang on and go for the ride and watch us build a fence, and maybe y'all can guess in the comments below what we're building a fence for. That video comes soon. Anyway, guys, y'all stay tuned.
I don't know.
The post ain't that big, so I'm not worried about it being crooked.
I was worried about that. Okay. Now, I kind of thought
I
that,
hit rock. It wouldn't cut through rock right there.
Look at all that rock.
That's why I went and got a tractor implement. Where's my tape measure? Anyway, guys, I'll get back with you. That's 2 holes. I got 1 more left to do right there. Once I'm done with those 3, believe it or not, this ain't gonna make sense to those of y'all who use tractor implements or put in a fence. I've got to do that with the smaller auger bit, just so I can loosen the ground to put a T-post in the ground. I got to do it on each one of these T-posts. So what will actually happen is I'll finish these. I'll set these 3 posts in concrete tomorrow, and once I get them set in concrete and they set up, I'll put my line back on the fence, and then I'll mark my spots and do my T-posts. So y'all stay tuned. We'll catch you in a little bit. Jamesy, let me get where you are, buddy.
Now, when you go to pushing down, just pat it down. That's it.
This one looks like it's setting.
Right on that. I think the chicken kind of hit the element.
Yeah. What y'all doing?
Hmm? You talking to me?
Next man.
Next man. Now we can get a little.
Go around a little bit. This here needs to come back to. Push it out toward the highway. Okay.
Leave it there.
All right.
Oh, never mind.
Just a little bit, ain't it?
I think we're good, Mr. Johnny.
Good that way?
Yeah. This one ain't hanging a gate, so I think we're.
This one needs to come out just a little bit.
Yeah, but because it's bowed, it's gonna blow this side.
It needs to come in. Come in.
Come in.
Yeah, just a little bit. Just a hair.
That's all it's gonna do right there. That's all it's gonna do. Yep, there you go. She's good.
All right.
Next.
Good line up. Good line up, Miss Kate.
She's filming.
Oh. I'm sorry.
Oh, you're fine. Well, the baby's
Your
fussing.
hip is gone.
Ella's supposed to be checking on him.
I don't know where Ella is. James is over there.
Right. Hey, careful with that.
I'm mowing the grass.
You're mowing the grass.
Free fence post. Just a little labor inclusive. Included. Y'all ask me how much I've got invested in this fence so far.
How much have you gotten invested in this fence so far?
I think I've gotten $60 in the perimeter.
Nice.
That was for staples. That was for hinges for the gates, and the electric fence that will be going on the back side. Everything else I either had, acquired, or people gave us because they had it lying around, or I went and pulled it out of the bushes to keep it from going to waste. Homesteading at its finest. Making do with what you got. Hey, if you're wondering, it's a bright light. That thing called the sun behind the camera over there I just looked at.
Why is that funny?
Oh, and I've got like $15 in Quick Creek for my post. Actually, it was Sack Creek, not Quick Creek. Same difference. Just a different brand. Next. Y'all see my contraption? Let me save y'all about $75. 2 2x4s, some screws, and run you a chain through your hitch and around, and pull it level. Pull it level wherever you're pulling your chain at, level with wherever your pull point is. Put screws in both sides, and that'll save you about $80 for a fence puller.
But be careful by that.
Yes, be careful by the chain. If it comes loose, it'll hurt you. I gotta get right there, baby girl.
Very bad. That's a big motor.
It's a big what?
Motor.
Motor?
Yeah.
Ah.
Motor.
In the truck?
Motor.
Motor.
I want to get into it.
Mom, you can get in the truck in just a minute.
What, Daddy?
I'll tell y'all another secret to hanging a fence. Wrap your corners. Wrap it around. Keep tension on it. So that way once I cut this and it's gone, when I cut this, I'll wrap this side around and fence it so it's pulling against the back side of the post and not just the outside of the post. Gives a little more strength. I put that on the wrong side, that's what I just did. I get to put an extra. All right, I gotta back the truck up and release this. Actually, I don't have to. Wire cutters.
Can I get in this one?
Yes, you want in the truck? Come here, let me help you.
Say hi, everybody.
Hey, are we sleepy?
What?
I said, are we sleepy?
Sweet.
Sleepy.
What is this?
All right, what are we doing?
Excuse me, y'all.
God bless you.
Don't stand on that side.
What is this?
It's under some
Daddy?
pressure. Y'all hear that?
It moved the truck.
It didn't move the truck.
Huh?
It moved the truck.
There it goes.
Then you can take that out. Yeah, you lost 8 inches of fence, but I saved $80 in a tool. If you're putting fences up all the time, I'd say buy the tool. I'm not putting fences up all the time.
What's this paint thing?
That's
water
our new
spigot.
waterer.
It's a steel water balloon.
Oh, really?
But it works great to water your plants with, actually, he discovered. And I tried it out earlier and it works great.
Aw, I thought it was for water balloons.
Pretty gentle, but effective.
Remember, key to homesteading is be efficient. The water balloon kits come with a ton of those. They were free going into the trash. Well, there you go.
Why? Why can't we use them for water balloons?
I don't have water balloons.
Why can't we just buy balloons? Well, will it work?
Water balloons are made different.
We got those from the church, from VBS.
Guys, I didn't tell y'all this earlier, but, oh man, this would be like the worst one for y'all to see an example of. But I didn't tell y'all this, but my T-posts are on 10-foot centers because my corner posts are concreted in. Oh, this is fun. Real fun. Anyway, there we go. Get you a short screwdriver. Attach this. By the way, if I did not concrete them in, I would be putting these on 8 feet centers. That's gonna have to do. See if I can show y'all a little better on this one. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm so excited about that.
What are you excited about?
Well, I'm not supposed to tell.
Oh.
It's getting dark. It's getting dark.
It's getting dark.
So we can't do this anymore.
Are you tired of doing this?
Wow, Jane. Alright. We've been out here all day. We stopped in the hardest part of the hottest part of the day to go. I said it right, the hardest part of the day. The hottest part of the day to go get dinner. By the grace of
have to cook supper.
By the grace of God, somebody wanted to go out to dinner with us and take us out to dinner. That kept me from making myself sick staying out here all day trying to finish it. Right. Like I ain't done this before. They do make pliers for this, by the way. This is a short flathead screwdriver. Once again, trying to save a buck or two. Hey Mama, what do you want to do with this string?
I want to burn it. The
Why not?
infernal thing, I've knocked my block off 4 times. Ooh. Yay! Look at that
Don't be trying
sunset.
Oh,
Abel. Hey. What are you doing? Hello. Yeah. Yeah. You ready to get out of there? So you tired of doing this too, huh? You tired of doing it too? Yeah. Yeah. Cutie patootie.
So I have a 1/2 inch paddle bit. I have 5/8 inch, I guess you call them hinges. It's what hold the gate. It's what holds the gate up. All right. Took the paddle bit, I put the gate up to it, marked where my holes need to be. And this is just a hair larger than the 1/2 inch. Like I said, it's 5/8. Screw in little hack here. You'll see me use it as a box end wrench to turn it. Anyway, I'm gonna start it, maybe. Now watch this.
Mama, look what I did. Okay.
Brought the baby.
It's totally not level, that's grand. Or maybe it is, and I'm just looking at it weird. I think it's not, but it's life. Trying to drill into this cedar tree was interesting enough as is.
Yes, sir, Dad. Yes, sir.
I don't make my kids say yes sir like we're in boot camp. They've had VBS this week.
VBS was about being in the Lord's army. It was Bible boot camp, so everybody's walking around saying, yes, sir, yes, ma'am,
Yes, sir.
saluting.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Though,
ma'am.
David, there was one point in your life when you
Yes,
said
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
you wanted your
Yes,
children to
sir.
salute you.
I was just kidding.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
okay, we'll see about
sir. Yes. So, it smells like the horses.
This is a cedar tree, Jane.
It smells like the horses.
Horse shavings.
Oh,
That's what he's talking about.
I thought he was talking about manure.
All right, guys. As you see, I'm in different clothes. It's a different day. We run out of daylight that day. We finished up the fence. That's the last thing you just saw, hanging the gate rather. Anyway, the fence is done. We also did the electric fence. I didn't film that. And if you see me looking around, I'm making sure the animals don't come into view, so y'all don't know what they are yet. Y'all are gonna have to wait till another video. But anyway, we got it done. We're in good shape. Hope you enjoyed this process. It's a little longer video than we normally post, but anyway, if you would, give us a big thumbs up, share us on whatever social media platform you are using rather, and on YouTube, if you would subscribe. We're trying to make it 500 subscribers this year. And if you go down in the comments and let me know what type of animals you think we got. I gave you some hints in this video. So anyway, let me know what you think down below. As always, thank you again, and we'll catch you on the next video.